In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Klarna extension to Google Chrome. This straightforward guide will help you effortlessly integrate Klarna's functionality into your browser so you can enjoy seamless online shopping experiences and flexible payment options right at your fingertips. First, you need to navigate to the Klarna website. Open a new tab in your Google Chrome browser and type in www.klarna.com/us in the address bar. Once you press enter, you'll be directed to Klarna's official US homepage. Klarna is an innovative financial service provider that allows you to shop now and pay later by splitting your purchases into 4 smaller payments. It's a great tool for managing your budget more effectively. Next, you'll want to locate the option to discover more about Klarna's capabilities. On their homepage, look for a section or link that says Discover Klarna. By clicking on this link, you'll gain access to various services Klarna offers. Once you're there, search for the Browser Extension option. This is where you can uncover an additional tool Klarna provides to enhance your shopping experience. Discovering this browser extension option is crucial because it will seamlessly integrate Klarna's functionalities directly into your Chrome browser. After finding the section for browser extensions, you now need to proceed and actually install the extension. Look for a button labeled Get the Extension. By clicking this, you'll start the installation process. It will likely direct you to the Chrome Web Store, where Klarna's official extension is hosted. This ensures that every step you're taking is secure and that you're getting the genuine product rather than an imitation. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it to initiate the download. Chrome will then show you a pop-up window asking for permission to add the Klarna extension. These permissions are necessary for Klarna to operate correctly within your browser. Go ahead and select Add Extension. This confirmation step is a good practice to ensure that whatever you're downloading has been consciously approved. As the installation completes, the Klarna icon will appear in the top right corner of your Chrome window, usually among your other extensions. That icon is your gateway to see what you can do with Klarna. Once the installation is complete, take a moment to click on the Klarna icon and explore its features. Klarna may ask you to sign in or create an account to start using its services seamlessly. Just follow the prompts and you'll be ready to shop smarter. Now you're equipped with the Klarna extension in your Google Chrome browser. You can enjoy shopping knowing you have flexible payment options available. Whether you are buying apparel, electronics, or something else entirely, Klarna is a great companion for organizing your payments. Enjoy your new shopping experience, and thanks for tuning in.